Hello guys, welcome back to another one. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the current situation of the Anambra International Cargo Airport and all you need to know. The Anambra International Cargo Airport is a planned new airport construction project that will serve Anambra State and other surrounding states in southeastern Nigeria. In April 2007, Anambra State Governor Willie Obiano launched the Umueri Cargo Airport project. The project will be developed on a 1,500-acre site and will feature 2 runways, an aviation fuel facility, aircraft maintenance facility, airport hotel, business park and international convention center. The project is expected to generate 1,200 direct and 3,600 indirect jobs. The project is estimated to cost more than $2 billion and will be developed through a partnership between the Anambra State Government and Orient Petroleum Resources and Aidlight International Investments. Aidlight International Investments will provide all funds under a build, operate, manage, and transfer agreement. Anambra Airport City Infrastructure Limited allocated a 75% equity stake to the Aidlight International Investments, 20% to the Orient Petroleum Resources Limited, and 5% to the state government. In March 2015, Governor Obiano approved the investment of 5 billion naira, which is $25.3 million, for the development of a new 4-lane approach road to the planned cargo airport to be built in Anambra East. The airport is just a few kilometers from Onitsha town, the economic nerve center of the southeast region. It is strategically located and is a worthwhile investment. According to the governor of the state, the construction of the airport has been guided by recommendation and guidance of the Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority to meet the best international standards. The airport project is conceived to join some of the most advanced airports in the world with a capacity to land any of the most sophisticated vessels known to man today. The airport has the second largest runways in the country after the Murtala Mohammed Airport in Lagos. Upon completion, the airport will wipe out the difficulties Anambra businessmen and women often encounter in exporting and importing goods and services, and also help in improving the entire supply chain. With this project and the state's subsequent plan for a light rail project, Anambra State will eventually assume its rightful place as a major commercial and industrial hub in the West Africa sub-region. So guys, that's all I have for you today, and I hope you find this video very informative and interesting. And if you want to continue supporting the channel, you already know what to do. Hit the like button below. Please don't forget to subscribe and share with your family and friends. I will see you when next I talk to you. Cody.